I'm watching now the Mercedes-Benz Social Media Night event at its live on Veertly. It's a hybrid event, and the feature that we have developed just for this event that can be used for all others is the social wall. You can see here the tweets that have been sent using the hashtag for this event. So this is a great way for people to interact between the physical and the digital world. So let's just tweet something about this social wall and see it coming here very soon.
Thanks, Joao, for showing us the view of the social wall that the online attendees will have. For the ones that are attending in the physical space, there you can share the screen of this social wall with the same Twitter hashtags, the same tweets that you can see. As the organizer, you have also the option to blacklist certain tweets that are not shown anymore to avoid some spam. And of course, you can also click on the tweets here to then be directly redirected to Twitter to get more details about it and reshare it or like it, whatever you prefer. Thanks so much, and let us know if you want to have this feature for your event.